Jenna Friedman.
I'm actually half man on my dad's side, so...
It's Dermot and Dave, live from the Cat Labs Comedy Festival from London.
Dermot and Dave.
With super value online shopping.
Weekdays from 9 a.m. on Today FM.
Now at M&S, there's amazing offers in our home event, with 20% off homeware and up to 40% off selected furniture. Only at M&S. In-store and online, terms and conditions apply.
It's been said an official Ford service is more trouble than it's worth. Let's bust that myth. Our Ford trained technicians are best placed to service your vehicle. They use Ford Video Check, a state-of-the-art technology that sends you a video of any faults found, so you can approve the repairs required online. Starting at €149 for cars and €169 for vans, you get a free €20 Circle K fuel card. Bust the myth. Contact your local Ford dealer or book online at Ford.ie. Ford Service. Better performance and greater value. Prices stated are for vehicles aged 5 years plus.
Bluebird Care are hiring registered nurses, healthcare assistants and support staff to join our nationwide care teams. We offer flexible hours and any training or support you may need to help fulfill your role. So if you want to join us in providing QMark approved quality home care, just call or visit bluebirdcare.ie and bring care home.
The very first is followed quickly by what may lead to
squash together for you to stuff in your ears, and because it's Friday, there's extra sauce on top. Turn it up.
Marie Ronan's 3-in-1. Your recommended daily dose of dance. With extra sauce.
Om dokument din sih.
Bringing them than a pair of salmon out of Loch Derg. And my chest is filled with the wind of 2 bagpipes before a flat hill. Be Jesus, I've more jizz in me than a trout in the mayfly in the River Shannon.
And you're speaking of living there, you're living down in Castle Hyde in Cork at the moment, isn't that right?
Soft day I am, thank God, and a nice feather pillow there is to lay me Irish head on. And many an Irish property was increased by the lace of a daughter's petticoat. And sure didn't I renovate the bejesus out of it myself, and fill the taps with pure poutine and cabbage. And sure weren't the gates at the front given me by a tinker from Ballyhonest be the name of Cash, and sure that's what I given him. And sure in all in Begara, don't I have an Irish wolfhound standing proudly at the gate defending me honour and me hold.
And you're well, sorry, Michael, sorry.
Yeah, that's all right.
A bit giddy here this morning. So that's Castle Hyde. And
an Irish wolfhound standing proudly at me gate, defending me honour and me holding.
And what's your what's your Irish? What's the wolfhound's name?
Faith in Begara, his name is Seamus.
Seamus.
And 4 fine pups he given me too. Ferdia, Fiannan, Fiacra and Faulkner. Out of a bitch I had called Maya, but she died.
She died?
Well, she didn't actually die, but she died to me, if you know what I mean. Faith in Begara.
Amazing deals across kitchen appliances. Save €270 on the 8-kilo Samsung Eco Bubble wash machine, now only $399. Save €150 on the Flavel Milano electric cooker, now only $289. Get Kenwood American-style fridges from $469 and full-size dishwashers from only $169. Or save up to an additional 30% off all clearance ovens, fridge freezers and wash machines at our big clearance sale in stores. Shop in-store or online at Curry's.
Article 218 of the Lisbon Treaty, and crucially for the Irish government and indeed the British government, we leave absolute control of the future destiny of the border. We of course would have responsibilities for the European single market, but equally the British government will have responsibilities for the WTO and any future partnerships.
Okay, thank you very much, Senator Neil Richmond. Just to go back to finish with you, Nick Farry, though, the idea of a no